Huge congrats on Miracle of Us. It is a smash.
Thank you so much. Everyone, please support it and let's make it go viral.
No one saw this coming, but here we are. I was scrolling through the memories of all the love I left behind, building walls around my feelings, one heartbreak at a time. Then you stepped into the silence with a truth I couldn't deny. Now the pieces of my broken heart are learning how to fly. You don't need 1,000 promises to prove that you are real. It's the way you hold me close at night that tells me how you feel. When the world gets overwhelming and the pressure pulls me down, your love becomes a steady beat that turns my life around. And I feel your spirit next to mine, like a perfect sacred sign. We're the miracle of us, two hearts rising from the dust. What was shattered now is whole. You restored my soul with love. We're the miracle of us, written in the stars above. Against all odds, we found our way. Nothing can take this love away. Yeah. Every kiss feels like a blessing. Every touch rewrites my past. What we built from faith and patience was designed to last. When I hear you say forever,